Another dragon rises, this time painted in green with fiery orange accents. In this pour, I'm layering multiple shades of green with pops of orange to capture the life and the fire of a mythical dragon. Before I let the paint settle, I always use a torch. The heat quickly pops air bubbles that form in the painting, which helps prevent tiny craters or bare spots later. A quick pass with the torch makes the finished look smooth and polished. And if you have watched my other videos, you know that dragons happen to be my favorite mythical creature. They remind me that our imaginations can dream of anything. An acrylic pour lets those dreams flow onto the canvas. I started with a dark base, then layered my greens to create contrast. Finally, I added orange highlights for movement. Using the air dryer, I blew the colors outward, shaping scales, wings, and fire-like texture. Do you see the dragon wings forming here or something else entirely? Let me know in the comments. As the paint settles, you can see the dragon come alive, glowing greens with spark of orange fire. In my opinion, no brush could ever capture this flow. To bring the dragon to life, I add an eye to the painting. It's a small detail, but it transforms the pour into a creature with presence, giving the canvas a soul and making the dragon feel alive. Every pour tells a story, and this one feels like a dragon of the forest in flame. If you enjoyed watching this come to life, like, comment, and subscribe for more fluid art magic. And remember, stay creative and keep painting.